In this lesson, we will learn what is CSS, its features, and what is the need of CSS. With that, we will also see its versions and which current CSS version is widely used. Let's see. So basically, CSS is used to design web pages. Okay. CSS is cascading style sheets, and it is used by a lot of website developers and designers to change the look and feel of a website and make it look more attractive. Let's say you want to change the design of the complete website. You only need to code a single CSS file, and you can consider CSS as defining the layout of your web pages. It also helps you in defining different styles for different devices. Let's say you want a specific style on a mobile and a different style on the desktop website. All these things can be easily achieved with CSS. Now, what is the need of CSS? Before 1996, when there was no CSS, if there were changes on a website on different pages, so the color, border, fonts were defined explicitly for each and every page again and again. Okay, so no code reusability and that lead to hefty pages. But when CSS introduced, okay, this work became easier. Only a single file was needed to style the entire website. Add all the styles in that single file and link that file with all the pages. Okay, we will see this later. This is basically called external CSS style sheet. We will discuss all these things later. This actually eased the work of website developers and made the work of HTML easier. The current version is CSS 3. Okay, and the introduction of it began in 1998, and the earliest draft published in 1999. Let's see an example. Let's say the following is our website. If you want to give a border to this image, this can be easily achieved with CSS. You can also provide bounded borders. If you want to provide a border like this, you can achieve this with CSS. Also, adding such icons can be achieved easily. Adding the background color to text. Okay, adding this color to text can be achieved with CSS. Adding a different color to links. Okay, the default is blue, but you can see we added a different color using CSS itself. Also, these icons can be easily added with CSS. The background color of the footer, these icons as well. So a lot of things on a website can be easily achieved with CSS. I have just given a simple example. Now let's see the versions. So I told you that CSS came in 1996. Okay, it was used to style HTML elements. Okay, then came CSS2. Both of these are not maintained by W3C now. Between 1998 and 1999, CSS3 introduced. The HTML documents were divided into modules. Okay, and all these stylings came and introduced for website developers. So guys, we saw what is CSS, why we need it. We also saw a quick example, and we also understood that the current version is CSS3, which actually introduced in 1999. Thank you for watching the video.